Hey guys, today we have a small knife for your viewing pleasure. It's Boker Plus and it's made by, actually it's a collaboration work with a knife maker in Texas. His name is Newton Martin. That's his emblem. And the knife's called Nopal, N-O-P-A-L, which means cactus plant in Texas. The knife maker, this knife, when closed, resembles a leaf in the cactus. So that's how the name came from. It's G10 scales, flow through design, and 440C steel, which is really nice. And it is numbered, so I think this is a limited run, probably 1,000 piece, and they don't have it in a lot of US dealers stock. I bought this from Knife Center. The price is not very high, actually it's only like $33, so it's pretty decent price for a small knife. This is a 2 1/8 of an inch in blade length, so it's probably legal in every place. And it is liner lock. The liner lock has a very good lockup. It's really solid, and it has a really nice detent. You can flick it really good if you get a good grip, because the handle is really short. So if you get a good grip, you can flick it really nicely. And this is a chisel ground. I don't know if you can see it, but this place is flat, completely flat, and this has like a conventional V grind, but just half, and it is razor sharp. It's really sharp. It also comes with the Allen wrench, L size, L shape, and it comes with two size of how do you call that? For two sides of screws, so you can take off the clip with the small one, and you can take off the thumb studs with the bigger ones. Why would you want to take off the thumb stud? Because in Europe there are some strict knife laws. One of them states if a knife can be locked when open, you cannot open it with one hand. So you have to take off the thumb stud so you can open the knife like that. Alright? And what else? The G10 is not grippy at all, but it has a very nice texturing, so your hand will not slip. There are jimping all over this knife. Jimping here, jimping here, jimping here, jimping here. It's very secure with a 3-finger grip, which is designed for 3 fingers. You can choke it really up front, or you can have it like that, or you can lower it a little bit with only 2 fingers if you need a little bit of reach. The pocket clip is really nicely done. It goes around the hole. The only thing I don't like about the clip is that it has a pointy tip, which I really don't like. but it goes in your pocket nicely. And you see all this is the tail that you see in the pocket, so you can pull it out really easily. What else? The knife is actually center, but since it's chisel ground, you won't be able to see the line in the center, which is fine. And what else? I really like this knife. I think this is one of the it's a cute knife. It's one of those people-friendly knife that you can pull out whenever you feel like it and cut something. Nobody will start shouting or running away from you. And it is really thin, so you can just drop it in your pocket. Actually, I'm planning to take off the clips, the pocket clip, and just have it inside the pocket, because the detent is really strong actually. So it's impossible for this knife to open accidentally in your pocket. So that's really good, and the shape is just really cool also. Some size comparisons with my today's EDC. It's the Spyderco military. So you see, you got a big one and a small one. Perfect EDC. Oh, by the way, this is a 3 ounces knife. It's not heavy. 3 ounces is good actually, because it's so small. It's good to have a little bit of weight in your hand. It's not skeletonized, and it is steel liner actually. And just so you know, this is a big knife, so it may make the nopal look small, but that's how it is. Alright, blade thickness. It's a little bit thinner than the military. It's about, I think it's about 3 millimeter thick, which is really good for this type of knife. Spyderco's normal EDC, they usually use a I think 3 millimeters. That's what they use, the Spyderco's. This is 3.5 millimeter, so it's a little bit thicker. Alright guys, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them. And if you need a budget knife or just a small EDC to carry, I strongly suggest you to get this one, because I don't think it will last long, and since it's limited. I think this knife, its main market, it's in Europe, so probably most of the knives are shipped over there. It's made in China, by the way, but for the price, I think it's a really good deal actually. It's my first chisel grind pocket knife, so I am really liking it. Right? Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.